Good morning and welcome to Mam Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna, and today Kathy's going to be making roasted grape crostini for us. Whoa,
Sounds really, really good. I just
Have you
realized,
made it before?
no, but it's and
What a
you'll
treat.
see these grapes are from my yard
Nice!
and they're really good. I do need
A bowl?
a bowl. I just realized that, and I need to grease this with a little bit of butter. So
Butter.
sorry about that. I thought I was so prepared. So this recipe I found in a website called Taste of Home, and they have a lot of good, just like kind of
Is this
a little bit bigger. They have kind of like good recipes for like when you're just, I don't know, kind of what you would think of as having when you're just kind of at home. Nothing like super fancy, but just enough. So my assistant
But you only greased
here,
the bottom, is that
I
enough?
did, yeah. I only greased the bottom. So we're gonna put in. I'm having this recipe because it makes so much stuff. So
Because you have so many grapes.
well, exactly. So if you would put the grapes in the bowl.
She brought everything in little baggies. Isn't that adorable?
I did. It just makes it easier. I don't have to go home and clean stuff if I'm doing it from here. And then
Well,
we
you're not
want
going home after this too, so.
a tablespoon of olive oil.
Ooh, already.
Yeah,
I'm liking this.
already. And then we need a tablespoon of rice vinegar.
Which I love. I love rice vinegar.
You know, this stuff lasts forever because I actually Googled how long can you have it?
Mm-hmm.
And you can have it a long time. Did you get me the salt and pepper? Okay, and when it says half a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon pepper, I'm just a little bit leery, so I always put less. So just put a little bit of salt and pepper, nothing crazy. Just, you know.
She said she had everything.
Well, because you can add more salt is my thing, right? You
Okay.
can always add more salt.
And
So
then
I'd
pepper.
rather err on the side of not enough.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're going to toss that. And we can even use this to toss it.
All right.
So toss it. So these are the first 5 ingredients, and you're going to put your oven at 400. You're going to use
Did I do that? I don't think I did.
She's already got one mark against her for not following directions. Just kidding. Okay, this is like so simple, you guys.
Me or something?
This is so simple, but it's going to be so good. Okay, so we have this
Can I
all
just
mixed.
have a grape while we're...
Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to put it in here. So go ahead and
This thing?
yes, put that in here. And we are going to roast this in the oven for about 30-35 minutes.
By the way, we washed our hands and my counters will get cleaned with Clorox.
There you go.
Do I put in
Yeah.
the sauce too?
Yeah. Definitely, everything goes in there. Awesome. And then just kind of spread it around.
So look at this, how beautiful it is.
Look
Can
how
you hold
pretty
that up?
already. See that? Okay, so when that oven hits 400, we're going to roast it for 30 to 35 minutes. So we're going to take a break right now.
We are.
Yep, and we'll be back.
Okay, sounds good.
See you in a minute.
Okay.
Well, we are back. This was all roasted, and now it's ready to stir in orange zest
In a little baggie.
in a little baggie. I love lemon or orange zest in things. I just think it makes such a difference. And you would think it's kind of weird because it's the skin, but you got it in there?
I never thought of that as a skin.
It is. It's like
It's a peel.
it's a peel. It's a skin, like potato skin. You don't call that a peel, do you?
Yeah, but that's different.
So we're gonna just stir, stir, stir.
I don't walk around saying things about skins.
Okay.
Okay.
Then what we're going to do, we're going to arrange.
Be careful, that's hot.
Yeah. Arrange the little pieces of bread. This is French baguette.
By the way, Kathy pointed out that these look like little
They
buns.
do. They do. So we're gonna broil these 3 to 4 minutes.
That's all?
Just this.
Okay.
So go ahead and put it in the broiler.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Without that?
Yes. 3 to 4 minutes.
Oh, are you sure?
Yep. Three to 4 minutes. That's it.
I'm going to count.
Count 3 to 4 minutes. Well, you said it works really fast, right?
It does.
So then as soon as that's
I'm going to look
done,
at a minute and a half.
now you can either leave it on the plate and put the stuff on it, or because once it's done, you just put these things on it.
Okay.
Or you can put it on
Let's have a pretty platter.
She wants a pretty platter. Pretty platter. Okay. So I'm going to keep stirring. Excuse me for eating. I'm going to keep stirring.
It's my little rooster platter.
Oh, it's very cute. I need some more little platters. Or some cute little
It's a
plates.
Dollar Tree, but I don't know why I love this platter.
That's where I need to go. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a long time.
I went the other day.
Anything
It
good?
was like an addict getting a fix. I kid you not. I spent so much money.
Did you so much money? How much did you spend at Dollar Tree?
$72.
What did you buy?
That's 72 things. Well, I found Jojo Siwa Band-Aids for my granddaughter.
Oh, jeez.
That's some teeny bopper singer. And then I found Army Band-Aids for my grandsons. And then I got like triple antibiotic cream because every time they have a boo-boo.
Oh my goodness.
And then let's see, what else did I, oh my God. Birthday bags because they all have birthdays during the summer and early fall.
I keep a real close eye on that because you said it.
It hasn't even been a
No, I
minute.
know, but you said it works really fast, so I don't want to burn it.
Whoops.
My toaster oven goes so fast,
Done.
yeah. So then we're going to take them out and put them on her lovely rooster plate. Wow.
This is perfect. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
So
whoa,
put-
whoa.
Hot?
Hot, 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 hot.
Okay.
Hot, hot.
So I'm going to just take some to start. Whew. I love, well them. And then I'm going to scoop a little bit of this on here. I'll scoop this on and then I'll start at this end. I'll scoop that on and then you put on some of the cheese and then
My
some of the,
fingers? I wash
yeah,
my
yeah. We're clean. We have cleaned and washed and scrubbed and done all these things. My mouth is watering.
I know. This looks amazing.
I know. And what an easy appetizer too. And when it comes from your garden, like it did mine, you don't even have to go to the store to get grapes. I have yet to make anything with the grapes from my garden.
Well, this is it.
This is it. This is the
We're
first.
the guinea pigs.
Yep. This is it. So you're putting that on. And then I will sprinkle some of this. This stuff is hard to cut into
And
little.
that's basil. Now, did you grow the basil?
I did not. I tried growing some
know.
herbs before and I didn't have great luck.
I'm doing really well with my basil. I mean, it is a
Inside
bush.
or out?
Outside.
Yeah. I could probably do it again. Rosemary was the easy one. Rosemary went
Oh,
crazy.
that just grows
Yeah,
wild.
rosemary and even the dill. Okay. Are we going to taste it?
My mouth is all
I
watering.
know. We're going to taste it?
This is not keto, but yes, I will taste
Okay.
it. In the spirit of, my sacrificing for man.
Here's what this looks like. Do you see?
This is
How pretty?
gorgeous, Kathy.
Okay, here we go.
Oh. Wait, the basil fell off.
That's good. Okay, this recipe gets a.
This is about a 9.5.
Uh-huh.
Oh, the grapes. The grapes are scrumptious.
The sweet, and then the cheese. No, I can't taste, you taste the basil. It's not greasy tasting.
I took the one with the most basil.
It's really fresh
Oh
tasting.
my God, this is amazing.
Isn't that good? You'll have to keep these and have them. So, easy peasy.
You're
I
not
will-
take it home?
I'm not going home.
No.
So I will have to get the recipe up. 'Cause it's so good.
We'll put it on the website.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is unbelievable.
Whew. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click the share and like buttons. And let us know if you tried this recipe, which is amazing.
So good. And don't forget our website, www.mamtalks.com, for some new things, maybe some recipes. And also, of course, YouTube, where you can ring the bell, subscribe, like, share, comment. Have you ever made anything like this, or do you have any grape recipes? Because
I've never even cooked grapes in my
not
life.
great recipes, grape recipes. So if you have any of those, let us know. Thank you so much. Remember to keep embracing getting older with us.
Bye.
Bye.